Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to read The Fleas Sneeze. And there is our title page. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough, not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him, not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. "Does anybody have a tipple for me?" Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, "Achoo!" It scared the rat, who cried "Boo!" It woke the cat, who hissed "Moo!" It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered "Moo! Moo!" It outraged the owl, who hollered "Woo! Woo!" Flustered the fowl, who crowed "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" It haunted the dog, who barked "Woo! Woo! Woo! Woo!" and sprayed the hog, who screamed "Yoo!" and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in the rickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog, and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard the garbled wheeze. "I think I've got a sneeze. Oh no, the hog is getting sick too now. Oh my goodness." So, boys and girls, what we would like for you to do today is to go back and read The Fleas Sneeze, watch the video again, and I would like for you to pick out your favorite part and draw your favorite part and write a sentence. Tell us what your favorite part was. Of course, let it match your picture, and why you chose that. So draw your favorite part, write a sentence why you chose that part, and what part it was. Okay? And make sure you use lots of details in your words, lots of details in your coloring. And send it to us on Dojo. And have a great day. Try to get some recess time. It's beautiful out today. Bye, boys and girls. See you again.